Alright guys, just a quick update on my Emerson 1895 ceiling fan. As you recall, in my previous video that I put up yesterday, or the day before, I can't remember, it wobbles really badly, and I figured out the problem. And that problem would be that one of the blades, I guess, is lighter than the other ones because they're all in alignment and, you know, the pitch is all the same and they're all the same distance from the ceiling. Give or take, you know, a fraction of an inch, you know, like 1/8 or 1/16 of an inch from each other. Nothing that would cause a huge wobble. But, anyway, I just put some weights on that one blade. You can see the little black clips on it. One of them's holding on a quarter, also. That's just temporary. But, you can see it runs pretty smooth now. Anyway, like I said, those clips are just temporary. I might end up just bending the blade down to make it heavier on that side, or sticking weights from one of those balancing kits that come with cheap new fans. Just sticking those weights on it. I don't know. I'm debating. But, just want to show you what I did.